Hey everyone, I'm out here with my Huangjie 40 horsepower, aka Yamaha 25, trying to catch some fish. It is windy as hell out here. I finally found a spot that was kind of calm by a dam, but not having much luck here. Guess I'll move on to another spot. I mean, this little motor's been performing great. And I hadn't done a wide open throttle yet with it, a full throttle for her. But it will do over 35 easily. So far, fuel economy seems pretty good on it. I've been riding for a couple hours today and I still got over 3/4 tank of gas. Time to move on to another. I said time to move on to another spot. Yeah, I see this thing is purring along here. But you can see the chop in the water here.